I'm going to jump over the conic menu. I don't have a lot of use of it in this particular year, so I'm going to jump it. Let's go to one that's actually kind of cryptic a little bit. I'd call this the measurement menu. For a long time, I couldn't figure out how to, measure things, but sure enough, this has now come a little clearer to me. So if you pick the angle tool, if you select the 3 points or the 2 lines, but I think the 3 points work nicely. So if I select these, it measures that angle for you. Now, if you don't like the 0.37, if you don't like the size, as you know, you have some options over here. You can change, the color of that. You can change the thickness of the arc that's there. You can change whether you want it to measure only between 0 and 180 and so on. You can alter its label so it just has the name or the value. If I just wanted the value, I would have it there. Now, the one downside I would say is that for some reason in the app version, I can't get in there and pull that angle out so I can read it easily. If I'm on a computer, I can do that, but I can't here, and that's definitely a downside to this, and I don't know why I can't just pick that and pull that out of there, but I can't. For whatever reason, I can't. That's measuring an angle. Let's see what else I could do. You could create angles of a given size. You can do that as well, but let's measure a distance or a length. So if I want to know KL, I can just click on it, and it tells me it's 4.6 or whatever. If I want to measure area of the square there, I can click on it, and it tells me the area. If I want the area of that sector, it can give me the area of that sector. If I want slope, let's say the slope of KL here, what it does is it creates a little triangle and gives you kind of your rise and your run. And if you go and alter things, it alters your rise run there. It's actually kind of a cool little item. If it was a line, it would just attach to the line. Here it's a segment, so it's a little weird, but that's fine. And then list. I haven't played with lists much, but this is basically your measurement window menu, and there's lots of options there. The one downside, at least that I have found, is that I can't control kind of where that labeling is placed, which is too bad. But it can on the computer, and it's quite clean and crisp there. Okay.